back to my channel, and today in this video we will be making Rajasthani sparrows easily at home. So the material required is old dark color clothes. You need some shells, pom-poms, waste foil paper beads. These are very easy to make. Golden lace. It is available in markets. Golden beads also. And cotton roll to fill your sparrow. First of all, take square piece of cloth, fold it properly. First we are making its beak. Take a larger piece. It should also be in square shape. Kids, please take help of their parents to make this sparrow because its whole work is with needle. Mark the shape of the sparrow and insert its beak. And remember to leave 1 inch gap for unfolding your sparrow. Don't stitch that 1 inch from its back. Stitch it carefully because sometimes the stitches are also coming out. Unfold your cloth carefully so that it can't be torn. Now insert the cotton to make it fluffy. Now we have to make its tail. Stitch the tail inside the bird to make it look more attractive. Now round the lace properly around the bird. So now it's time for eye. Use black marker. Kids, please, you have to take help of your parents because it's needle work. following these steps and repeating this sequence again and again, you will complete your whole hanging. And now I'm gonna show you its results. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.